Well done.
Are you able to tell how much it cost you to put up the structure?
This crack, I don't know if I have a round figure because I've been extending one by one. Okay, this extension was done by itself.
Okay.
And I remember it took me, just the labor was 13,000.
13,000. Okay.
This one, that one I remember.
This one.
Yeah.
From where?
From there to here. The labor was 130.
Oh, that is labor minus material.
Yeah, 130. If I put on iron sheets, each was about second hand, I think. Each was 20,000. There are how many iron sheets on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20 times 8. Now plus timber. Plus 6. I think 2 bags of cement. 2 to 3 bags of cement down.
No hardcore.
This time around I used broken bricks, but here it is hardcore. Hardcore are there, and cement and nkokoto, which is called half-inch stones. Even here it was a full trip of a full truck. Yes, here. This structure. This one was really costly because it was a full truck of sand, 2 types of sand, a full truck of half-inch stones here, and then you count mavat of 20,000, which is up there, that minus timber. Timber was 20. Used timber it was 2,500 used. So how many timbers? So that's how you can calculate the cost.
But roughly have to do with it. 500,000.
I think 500,000 per each of these per house. Yeah.
Addition to that and the other work you make it yourself.
Yes.
If you don't do like this,
Yes.
you can come easily to 100.
Yes.
So then the worker stays here full time, the other lady.
Yes. The first worker was there. I was providing break. I was providing room, electricity, water. Then 70,000. The first worker was here.
Where do you get the male?
The male worker? Oh, the male piglet. When I was buying, I bought 2 female, but there was a lady who came and kept her male here. Incidentally, just escaped and impregnated the other one. Mine. That was no cost. Then the second one, there was a certain lady down there who had a very nice male. Actually, that's the breed. Very big. We took one of those by then. That's how I started getting my own male. And now I keep my own. I sell all, I castrate, I leave one male.
So you have it for now?
Yes, those are the 2. Because I didn't want you to go there, I haven't cleaned.
Okay.
So you just open for the female to go there, maybe stay a month, then you remove it. Like that. You bring it back to its tie.
Because males are always expensive, not so.
You pay money.
You are taking.
Yeah, when you take, or you give them a full pig. Yes. After delivery.
That is the argument.
Everywhere.
Or you pay 100,000.
For one visit.
Yes.
Even if you conceive
or not,
you pay.
Yeah.
And when it doesn't, you need to do it twice again you pay.
I think some people you don't.
If it doesn't conceive the first time and you want to try again.
Yes.
It's like cows.
Even cows.
That's what
But cows, do. You still ask for a bull. A cow.
A cow. You talk to a bull if you don't have.
I mean, paying for a
pay
cow, but not a cow.
Not a cow.
Because for them they give birth to one.
That
You
pay the
that
money.
was so expensive. Because a cow.
40, like that.
Yeah, okay. That one is okay.
It doesn't conceive, you return it.
for 50.
But now for pigs, people now know that you can get some money out of this if you are organized. You have to just be careful how you feed.
That's it.
Now, if someone wants to buy, to start their own and they want babies before castration, how much do they do?
100,000
Each,
Yeah, that one is for someone to come. Actually, it should be 150. Why? Because it's over now 2 months. It can eat. I've trained them to eat. You train them to eat and drink water. So you have to make sure you start it when they are still with the mother. By the time you remove them from the mother, they know how to eat and drink water. So when you come to buy, you find it ready to eat. You will not struggle with it. But that's a lot of work you put in.
To train it.
Yes. So for those who are my friends, I really tell them don't take it now. I first train them because they can die.
They can because it doesn't know
to eat. Yeah, they can die.
To survive.
Wow. Chose to survive. So that is the farm.
So all these are male?
There are 5 male actually there. 2 female. Yes, there are 2 females only. So when he comes, he's going to castrate all the 5. In fact, I'm going to call him today. Because they are getting big. They will be hard to.
And you're going back to work tomorrow.
Because you said you may. Tomorrow I may stay.
You're getting tired.
too much rain.
Now at least I had someone who fetched water in the morning. Hey, these ones are still.
You want to still have food. Go and visit them. But now, because of the temperature, it cannot be
This one, if you leave them, they may. You don't separate.
And the babies will come out good.
No, the babies.